Hi everyone, welcome to Mixinglikeapro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix electric guitars. There are different kinds of electric guitars or sound. You have rhythm, you have muted, you have clean, distorted, overdriven, and so on and so forth, right? So stay tuned and let's just jump right in. Let's go to the clean guitar. I mean, almost all the clean guitars I've mixed, even from different players, they almost sound the same because there's a tone that they have, and then sometimes it can be hard to mix because of the transient, right? But they're there, so it makes sense to use sooth on here. I'm gonna play it without sooth first. Let's hear it. Remove the reverb, so you can basically hear that. So sooth is gonna take care of a lot of those harsh notes. So let's hear it. Bypass now. You can always play around with sooth, adjust this and the sharpness so it pinpoints. That works too a lot of times. But you got to be careful too, so it doesn't introduce some maybe artifact. Sometimes it can react in a funny way, but it's definitely there. The sharpness helps a lot. Especially on an instrument like this, you can go crazy with it. So here again, EQ move. All right, so let's see at 10K. Yeah, so I'm removing the 6 dB, and then at 680, I'm boosting 4 dB, and that's it. That's all I'm doing here. So let's hear this. Okay. So this sounds warmer, and then the next on the list is I'm using the AR1, using kind of a medium to fast release here. And the reason for that is to bring the tail, the latter end of each note up, basically. So I don't want the compressor to let go immediately. I want it to hold on to the note, onto the compression a little bit. And what that is going to do is to help me increase the sustain of the audio you pass through the compressor. So medium attack and slightly medium release as well, or maybe medium to fast. Okay, so let's play that. And I'm compressing a lot too here to really get that sound. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. This I'm gonna create an audio track. All right. So what I'm trying to do is to see, after this has been compressed, what does the waveform look like? Okay. Now I'm going to record. So good example. So let me color code it so it looks exactly the same. Yeah, now hopefully you can see the job of the compressor, why I used a medium to slow attack. Now the tail of the reverb here, not the reverb, the tail of this guitar sound right here, you can see how big and fat it is. So that's what I'm basically doing with the compressor. And then it seems like after the compression, let me make sure the settings are back to where they were. It's okay. Then I came back in here again to do some slight EQ again. Usually this would be maybe after I've done all of this, and then I'm like, no, there's some frequency. Yeah, there's just something around that, where is it? 2.5 that I'm cleaning up. Bypass. Right. So I hope this was really helpful and you've learned one or two things here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day recording and mixing. Bye-bye.